Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, my name is Hansen. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Minh Anh. I'm in class 8A at Station Primary School. There are 5 people in my family. There are my mom, my dad, 2 younger sisters, and me.
Okay.
My hobbies are playing piano and guitar.
That's okay. Okay, look here, please. Do you often go shopping?
Uh, yes, I do.
Good. How many ways can you shop?
2 ways.
Good. Can you name them?
Uh, Online shopping and offline shopping.
Good. What's your favorite shop?
My favorite shop is Lunchy Mart.
Why is Lunchy Mart?
It's in Tamdale City.
That's okay. How often do you go shopping?
I shop once a week.
Shop once a week. That's beautiful. Okay, what do you buy when you go to Lunchy?
I buy food and drinks.
Good. Who can go to Lunchy?
Everybody can go there.
Okay. Do you like Lunchy?
Yes, I do.
That's good. Why?
I like Lunchy because the place is neat and cheaper.
And their things are cheaper. Good. Okay, we have 2 ways of shopping, online and offline. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer online shopping
Why?
because it's convenient, faster, and very cheap.
Okay, convenient, faster, and cheaper. Okay, what's this?
This is hurricane,
Hurricane, this,
forest fire,
this,
thunder,
this.
tornado.
Good. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Who is your English teacher?
My English teacher, Miss Benay.
Do you like her?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it's very friendly and beautiful.
She's
She is
friendly.
friendly and beautiful.
That's good, just like you, okay? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job.
Good
Bye
job, teacher.
bye.